In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delegate access to a Google Workspace user's email. Email delegation is useful when an assistant, teammate, or manager needs to read and respond to messages from another mailbox without knowing the password. The owner keeps control of the account, and the delegate gets access through their own Google Workspace login. Keep in mind that delegation can take a little time to activate after it is accepted, so do not worry if it does not appear instantly. Start by signing in to the Gmail account that you want to grant access from. This is the Mailbox Owner account. In the top right corner of Gmail, click the Settings gear icon, then choose See All Settings. This opens the full settings page where account permissions are managed. Across the top of the settings page, find the tab labeled Accounts, or in some versions, Accounts and Import, and select it. This section contains options related to sign in, sending mail, and giving someone else access to your mailbox. Scroll until you find the section called Grant Access to Your Account. In that area, click Add Another Account. A small window will appear asking for the email address of the person you want to delegate access to. Enter the delegate's Google Workspace email address carefully. A typo here is the most common reason delegation fails, so take an extra moment to confirm it is correct. After entering the address, click Next Step. Gmail will show a confirmation screen explaining what delegation allows. When you are ready, choose Send Email to grant access. This sends an invitation message to the delegate. To complete the setup, the recipient must open their own inbox, find the delegation email, and click the Accept link inside it. Once they accept, it may take a short while for the connection to finalize. After it activates, the delegate will be able to access the mailbox using their account and switch into the delegated inbox from their Gmail profile menu. And that is all there is to it.